Ever wondered why laws seem to pile up endlessly? Today, let's dive into the never-ending cycle of government lawmaking. So here's the thing. Governments say they are creating rules and regulations to keep society functioning smoothly, but far too often they don't know when to stop. They keep passing new laws, revising old ones, and well, it just never ends. Take a look at the history books. From ancient civilizations to modern-day democracies, lawmaking has always been a fundamental part of governance. But as time goes on, the sheer volume of laws becomes overwhelming. Think about it. Each new law is supposed to be fair and address a specific issue, right? But often these laws overlap, contradict, and create confusion. Let's break it down. When a problem arises, the natural response is to legislate a solution. But far too often, governments create the problem as an excuse to pass yet another restrictive law. And we end up with a tangled web of regulations. Imagine a bookshelf overflowing with books. Each new law is like adding another book without removing any. Eventually, the shelf can't hold any more, plus there's the issue of enforcement. More draconian laws mean more resources needed to enforce them. Police, courts, regulators, all stretched thin trying to keep up. It's a cycle that never ends. Having the power to pass laws gives governments the illusion that they are in charge of us, that they have authority over us, but this is not true. They work for us and are supposed to take their lead from us. But democracy is broken. Governments have become complacent and unaccountable, at least until the next election, which may be years away. So they go on passing more and more laws without repealing any old ones. And too many laws can stifle innovation, burden citizens, and create a bureaucratic nightmare. So what's the solution? Some suggest periodic reviews to streamline and simplify the legal code. Maybe we need a special quango tasked with repealing old laws. Others advocate for sunset clauses, where laws expire after a certain period unless renewed. It's a complex issue with no easy answers, but one thing's for sure, understanding this cycle is key to engaging in meaningful political discussions. So next time you hear about a new law being passed, take a moment to consider the bigger picture. Ask yourself whether it's really fair or necessary. If it's not, do not comply. Remember, no one leads if no one follows.